Good morning, my friends. It's Stephen Wa-LUSH-ick from Prime Lending, and today's Tuesday. It's August the 1st, and that means it's time for Tuesday's 2-minute tip. One of the tools that our team enjoys working with here is through our credit reporting agency, Advantage Credit of Colorado. They have what's called what-if scenarios, where we can import someone's credit report and then run some scenarios to see what we could do in a short period of time to bump the score up. Well, recently I pulled in a credit report and found 3 credit scores that varied greatly in the range. Low score was a 625, then we had a 670, and then we had a 760. It was odd to have that big of a difference. So looked deeper into the credit report and I found what looked like a perfect history except for one single collection. $86. Reported to 2 of the 3 agencies, which was why there was such a big difference. So ran some what-if scenarios and said to the borrower, hey, listen, if you could get some documentation on company letterhead referencing that account saying they're going to delete it, then we have a really good chance of bumping your score up. Now, it's not always easy to get that documentation, but in this particular case, the bill was a responsibility of a renter that this borrower had. So he was able to procure the documentation that said delete from the 2 agencies. And look what happened. We took a 625 to a 764, an increase of 139 points. We took the 670 and we bumped it to 739. The 760 stayed the same. But overall, we went from a 670 middle score to a 760. That's an increase of 90 points. And listen, interest rates and cost are based on credit score. So 740 and above is like the best. And then each 20 increment lower, you get worse pricing. So our guy moved up 4 levels to A+ for his pricing. That's the profound impact of one single negative mark on your credit report. But there's hope. You just need to work with a lender that has the ability to do a rescore, run a new credit report, and have the same outcome that we had in this particular case. So, concerned about credit? Reach out to your favorite lender. Run a rescore scenario, see what you can do to bump your score so you can get the best interest rate with the lowest cost possible. I'm Stephen Wa-LUSH-ick from Prime Lending. That's Tuesday's tip. I thank you for tuning in, hitting like, sharing, and commenting. And listen, as always, make it a great day.